Just another random transition. Today's video is sponsored by the entire universe. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your cut. Trim down the duration, roughly around 10 frames, right-click on it, and open it in the Fusion page. Add a luma keyer, and adjust the low value of the keyer, until you've got only some parts of the highlights. Add a transform node after. Change the edges to wrap, and increase the aspect slider to stretch out the lights. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab and bring down the smoothness slider. Back to the tools, modify the angle slider with the shake again. Set the maximum slider to 180 and bring down the smoothness slider. Go to the Settings tab, activate the motion blur box, and adjust the sliders to your liking. As always, bring a glow node after, check the alpha limit box, and adjust the sliders to your liking. Go back to the edit page, and change the blending mode to add. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are not the center of the world.